All right, what's going on, guys? Today I get to put the Duraflex RD-X body kit on the Supra, or at least get the process started. Full kit, side skirts, front back bumper. It doesn't look like it's going to be too bad. Took a long time to get here because with shipping companies being as good as they are these days. As far as like all the body kits I've put on, especially compared to this thing, it's going to go pretty simply, and we're going to do it in such a way that the front and back bumper are actually going to be unlatched and removed from the car, so easy access for, you know, motor or busted bumpers, because we're going to be drifting the shit out of this thing. So anyway, let's get started. So here in the Skyverse Staying Garage, I just have not been videotaping the way that I should be, because we are making some progress on the soupy body kit. So, front bumper's on, and had to do some messing around with the hood. These gaps were pretty bad, and we had to try and pull it down as much as we could, because you can see the gap we're working with here, but we'll get that filled as well. Basically, all we did was 3 bolts in the top here, and then there's 2 bolts underneath. Really hard to see there, but they're just kind of sitting on the skid plate on the bottom, just 2. And then I threw 1 in the side here. Again, I don't mind the fact that there's going to be fender washers on the outside of the kit. Could really care less that you can see them. There's other ways to do that, but nice and quick and easy. But she's looking good. And right now, hey, Mike. Hey. We're working on the rear bumper. I had to throw the taillights in so we could get our mock up. And so far, I just added a couple riv nuts on the top here. Got those squared up and drilled. And then we put the bumper on. And these are the old holes for the old kit. So we put it on, I marked it, and I'm just gonna put some rib nuts in here, throw the bolts through here and hold it on that way, and then we just have to get a couple more mounting points behind the wheel. And that's pretty much it for this one. Side skirts are be a bit more work. Just they leave quite a gap. That's gonna have to get filled. So I'm thinking there's gonna be some fiberglass work involved. What are you doing, Matt?
I'm nothing.
You're fucking lying to me.
I'm breaking stuff here.
Oh.
Taking out the
center console here.
The center.
Oh my goodness.
I'm trying to take it out from here.
Yes, the separation there.
Yeah.
Matt's been working on deleting some seats in the back. His car is now primed and ready for some wrap job. We had our auto body buddy over here the other night, and we just got her kind of done. Anyway, back to business. Well, that actually worked out pretty good. Got the well, you can't see shit in there. Anyway, there's 2 screws coming through on the inside there and coming right through here. Obviously, we're gonna have to work with this big gap here, so I'll have to fill all this. And now I am just going to take a fender washer, throw 1 maybe right about there and 1 over here. And I'll probably put, you know, it depends on how it sits actually after those 2 are on there. And we'll see. We'll see. It's going pretty good though. It's going pretty good. Now that's not too bad. Not too bad. Still get the screws back in here, but it's actually looking pretty good. And she is like, oh, she's solid. She's solid. Obviously, you can see we're gonna have to build up this section here just because of the massive gap. We tried pulling it out as much as we can. We threw the heat on it, try and form the body kit out a bit, but she's stubborn, so we'll just end up building it up. But not bad. Back and front bumper. Now the nasty little side skirts, but save that for another day. I mean, I could be doing what Matt's doing right now, which is cool. Lucky guy. Pretty cool.
Oh, I'll have to pop that out and fill that too.
What a mess. All because we took the little duckbill spoiler off here. Well, it's coming along actually. You're getting her off there.
That's not bad.
Oh man. Oh buddy. These two little, I don't know, ponies? Oh.
Yeah, these two are gonna be...
They're gonna be friggin' nasty.
They're gonna be nasty. They're gonna look good.
Oh.
They're both gonna have some major power.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh man. Okay.
Excited.
I'm having some wet dreams over here.
Yeah.
This side skirt's mounted. And it actually went a lot easier than I thought. Just had to sand this lip level. Plus, I mean, there is going to be some Bondo work that needs to be done on here anyway. But through the two riv nuts, kind of put the side skirt on. Then I marked where I wanted to put my fender washers, so those are on, or fender bolts, and put two on the back, and then there's just two on the front. One up top here and one here. I could probably, and then what'll end up happening is after we get it painted, I'll 3M on the inside here. But I think I'm gonna put find a spot maybe underneath to put another bolt here. But this here, this gap is what I was talking about. This will definitely have to get filled. Because that's pretty ugly. Probably the whole way up too. Yeah, I mean there's substantial gap there. This can get pushed in a bit more, so I might even just add another, not really a good spot to put a fender bolt though, unless it was maybe right there. Maybe. Might pull it in enough. But, and then under here, I do believe, actually it's pretty not solid back here. No, I gotta put another one through the behind the tire here, so I gotta take this guy off. Anyway, little update on where we're at with that.
Just getting some rib nuts in for the side skirt here. Nice. Yeah, you see how the problem is they rolled the fenders, which not only creates a bigger gap for my tires now, but rib nutting, you know, attaching your side skirt to what would be your wheel well is non-existent unless you do this. So that's what I did. Anyway, it's working. That's looking pretty good.
It is looking good.
Yeah, this thing's looking pretty good. Basically to the point where we need some paint. Well, there'll be some bondoing and fiberglassing, but paint work after that, and some glass, and we're ready for an engine.
Yeah.
Greasy.